Welcome back. In today's video, we're tackling a critical question many of you have asked. Will sextortion stop if you block the blackmailer? We'll break this down step by step, explain why blocking isn't the solution you think it is, and show you what actions you should take instead. By the end, you'll clearly understand why cutting off contact can make things worse and what to do to truly protect yourself. If you've been targeted through Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, or any other platform, this channel is here to help. Will sextortion end if you block the criminal? The answer is simple: no. Blocking the perpetrator does not solve the problem. These individuals already have your private photos or videos, and cutting them off often escalates the situation. Once blocked, many blackmailers retaliate by releasing content as revenge. To understand why, you need to recognize that these are experienced criminals who invest significant time and effort into manipulating victims. Ignoring this reality can lead to severe consequences. Why is blocking not a safe option? Extortionists put time into building trust, studying your behavior, and convincing you to share private material. When you block them, they know they can't get more from you directly, so instead, they may leak your content to friends, family, or coworkers. Many of these groups operate in unstable environments, sometimes fueled by drugs or working in organized criminal networks, which makes their actions even more ruthless. Blocking them rarely ends things. It often provokes harsher retaliation. What is a one-page website? Imagine searching your name online and finding an entire page filled with your private images or videos. This isn't an empty threat. It's a calculated method designed to inflict maximum emotional and social damage. Criminals deliberately make these sites searchable on major search engines so anyone, from employers to relatives, can find them. The goal is to push you into desperation. The consequences can be devastating: destroyed reputations, lost opportunities, and severe emotional strain. Victims often experience crippling anxiety, depression, and fear. And even if you beg Google to remove such a site, the process can take months, while criminals generate new ones in minutes. This becomes a vicious cycle where victims are forced into repeated payments, never breaking free. What to do if blocking isn't the answer? So what should you do? First, stay calm. Don't panic and don't give in to demands. Gather and save all communication as evidence. Seek professional help immediately. Don't try to handle this on your own. Remember, these aren't random individuals. They are part of structured, illegal operations targeting countless victims. It's critical to act strategically with the right support behind you. Additional steps. Report the account on the platform where the blackmail took place. Update all passwords and enable multi-factor authentication. Be cautious about the information you share online. Review your social media privacy settings. Reach out to trusted friends or family for support. Emotional reinforcement is vital when navigating such a difficult experience. How Blackmail.HelpLine assists. At the Blackmail.HelpLine, we take a structured, evidence-driven approach. It begins with a private consultation to understand your case. From there, our experts track the blackmailer's digital footprint using advanced IP-to-location ID technology and social engineering methods. This allows us to identify those behind the threats and hold them accountable. We also work to secure proof that your content has been permanently deleted. Every step is documented in a detailed report, which can be used with law enforcement or legal counsel. In cases involving overseas criminals, we even create counter one-page sites with their details to aid authorities. With a 95% success rate in content removal, our strategies are proven to work. Ultimately, our mission is to restore your peace of mind. At the Blackmail.HelpLine, we push back against the criminals and stop their harassment, giving you the chance to move forward with confidence. If you need help, call us at 888-634-1535 or visit blackmail.helpline.com. Conclusion. To conclude, blocking a sextortionist rarely solves the problem and often makes it worse. Instead, gather evidence, seek professional guidance, and take proactive measures to secure your digital life. If this video helped, Please subscribe, like, and share so more people can protect themselves. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmail.HelpLine.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.